On your videos, everyone on your videos. Just trying to say something but it's not. But you know why sir said not very comes today. Wait, if we shouting it is yes sir we are that's why it's like that.
Your voice is breaking, dude.
Good voice of such a all look good at this.
Your face is
That means laughing at you. What? Photoshop. Sir comes at me and sees me speak because Spanish society. This is never the same. It's automatic. Automatic.
I want to keep that one.
So not as well. Okay.
Not this one. Take responsibility. See, every law we
Anybody else in class? It's on your page.
stop talking.
Huh? What about that side? Sir, sir.
Okay. 125.
Yes, sir.
What about 126? SGN. What do you mean by SGN? Signum. What do you mean by signum function?
Summation.
No. What is SGN of X? How many times you have to tell these basic points?
Mod x by x.
Very good. At least one understanding. Mod X by X. What is mod X by X? Now break the mod function again.
So then minus x, then minus 1.
Is X by X when X is greater than 0. Is 0 when X is equal to 0. It is
0.
minus
And
X
it
by
is
X.
minus
when
x by x, x is less than 0.
Modulus function breaking, you know, right? Positive, negative, 0. That's it. So answer it is 1.
Yes, sir.
And here 0.
1, 0 and minus 1.
How is the graph of signum function? Graph.
So it will be
At X it is, at 0 it is 0. Correct?
0, then will come from negative 1.
More than 0, what it is doing? More than 0, answer. 1, no?
1.
Less than 0, what is the answer?
Minus 1.
That's it. This is the graph of signum function. Okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is your question here? 126.
Signum function of fractional part of x.
Not like 0 to no.
Yes, sir.
So there is another property. However, let us complete. Okay. Signum of
fractional part of
x
x.
minus greatest integer function into dx. Now, then what is this value then? Minus 2 to 10 signum of fractional part of x, no? Tell me,
Yes,
what is the
sir.
signum of fractional part of x? What is the fractional part of x?
1,
Fractional part of x is what? 0 to
0 to 1,
If you take signum of this, what happens?
1.
You can check it. At
You
0
get-
it is 0.
Rest all will get 1.
Rest all it is 1 only, no?
Yes, sir.
That means it's like your answer, generally I am saying, from minus 2 to 10, you need this answer. Remember, you need this answer. Yes or no? That means this part. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Then to find this area, do we need integration or can you do by normal method?
Normal only will be, sir.
Normal length, rectangle and squares model you can do now.
Yes, sir.
That is one approach. Okay? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
But now the interval is more, no? Like 10, minus 2 to 10, right?
Yes, sir.
Two limits are there. Two limits are there. And what is the period of signum, this fractional part of x?
1.
1. Correct. There is another property. Means before this 126, please take down property number 2. Integral from nt to mt f of x dx equal to n minus m times 0 to t f of x dx. Second property. Now apply the same property. What you can write here? What is period? Tell me one, right? Can I write into 1 and into 1?
Yes, sir.
Now
10 minus minus 2,
10 minus of minus 2, 12,
12,
0 to 1,
0 to 1 signum function of x
signum of x.
dx.
Now, what is the signum of x between 0 to 1? Mod x. Signum of x between 0 to 1 value.
0 or 1?
Now 0 or 1. 0 means nothing to find.
Yes, sir.
Then
So
what
one.
else you have?
1.
1. Then answer.
X.
So answer is
12 into x.
X from 0 to 1, which is 12.
12 is the
Yes, sir.
understand second property. It is based on second property. You can identify. See, first property starts from where 0. The second property we are having both limits. We have one more property. With that we can end this periodicity of function.
fractional part of its period is 1.
Fractional part period is 1.
So we can take signum of 1, which is 1 only. We'll get direct answer there.
No?
X from minus 2 to 10. 10 minus of minus, so it's 12 only.
Okay. Stepwise I am doing. Have a clarity. So we need to observe that there is a repetition, the nature of function, then only we have to go with periodicity. There is no repetition in the nature of function, means no need to go. For example, question number 127, if you see, it's not a periodic function at all. If you have written this, I'll move on to that second one. Like another question. See this signum function, so many times we have written. Please go through greatest integer function, fractional part function, signum function, modulus function. You have a clarity. For example, if you can see question number 127, we come to know what is the use of this method. Integral 0 to 4, 2 power greatest integer function of x dx. Now tell me, If x is 0 to 1, what is the greatest inner function value?
0.
0. So you will get answer 2 power 0. 2 power 0. If x is from 1 to 2,
1.
1. So your answer is 2 now.
Yes.
Is it repeating or not repeating?
Not repeating.
Not repeating.
Not repeating. So it's not a periodic function. It's not a periodic function means don't apply periodic function properties. Then how to solve? Huh.
So we have to separate the limits.
Yes. See here x is from where to where? 0 to 4. Is it right or not, all of you? Greatest inner function of x is going to be from where to where then?
0 to 3.
0 to 3. Very good. What are those values? 0,
1.
0, 1, 2, 3.
and 3 only. It won't be 4 because we are taking up to 4. Not 4, no. Not
Yes, sir.
4, no. 3.999 like that we are taking. Yes or no? No.
Yes, sir.
Accordingly, where this greatest inner function is 0? Tell me, from where to where it is 0? Greatest function
0 to 1.
0 to 1.
0 to 1. First interval. Where it is going to be 1 greatest inner function on?
1 to 2.
Huh?
1 to 2.
1 to 2. Where it is going to be 2?
2 to 3.
2 to 3.
2 to 3. Where it's going to be 3?
3 to 4.
Like this we have to write. Understanding? So here we are not going with periodicity since it's not a periodic function. Now, tell me the value 0 to 1. What is the fractional part of x?
0.
0. So 2 power 0, right?
Yes, so 1.
Now, between 1 to 2, what is the
1.
fractional greatest function of x?
1.
1. So therefore,
1.
correct? Huh?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then find all of you.
Yes, sir.
Next, 2 to 3.
2 square.
2 power 2 square. 3 to 4.
2 cube.
Now you can go with the integration.
We get 2.
So the answer is
Normal
15.
integration.
We get 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8.
Take the answer.
15.
Is that clear? We'll take one more question. Integral 0 to 100 by what is the modulus of sin x? Actually, periodicity, if you it's in the functions chapter we have done, it is easy. Tell me. So first, what we need to check? Period of sin x or mod sin x?
Not same.
Mod sin x. How is what is the mod sin x graph? First,
So it will be curves on the top.
sin x graph we have like this, right?
Yes, sir. So go on that again, go on top only.
This is sin x graph, correct?
Yes, sir.
Understand, all of you? This is sin x graph. What do you mean by mod sin x?
If the negatives will turn into positive.
So instead of writing that down, I can
You go up
draw it
only.
above, right?
Yes, sir.
Again, I have to draw this above, right? Now forgot this, rub this. Is that right, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the period?
Pi.
5. So therefore, what you have to write here?
100 into 0 to pi mod of sin x.
0 to
5.
100 into 5.
5.
Is that fine, all of you? Mod sin x dx. Can we write this as 100 times 0 to 5
Sign.
sin x dx? Why I am removing mod here?
Because it's
So
positive.
because it's
Because
positive.
0 to 5 Sine graph is positive one. So I am writing that. Now you can integrate now. It is on complete arc, right? Then what is answer? 2.
Minus 200.
2 no it is.
Yeah, 200.
200. So before giving answer no, in these model questions, you need to analyze the function. What is the function? It's a periodic or not periodic. If it is a periodic, what is the period? If it is not periodic, then how to break the interval. That is what we need to learn in this concept. Simple idea I am telling you how to remember that this question is from this concept means because definite integral everywhere it starts from 0 to something like that only, right? Then how to identify the question is from the periodicity means large interval. That's one simple idea. Can you answer this?
Cos 5 cos 100 into 200.
Root 2 into
Cos x.
mod cos x.
200 root.
Can you write like this or not?
Yes, sir.
What is 1 plus cos 2x? 2 cos square x? No. Trigonometry formula. Then I can write this as root 2 into mod cos x, right? Root 2 is a constant I am writing outside. What is the period of mod cos x? Cos x, mod cos x. Why only no? Like sine? Why tell me the graph instead of going to the negative side, it will repeat in above positive side, right?
Yes, sir.
This period is pi only, no?
Yes, sir.
No. Root 2 into 100, 0 to pi, mod cos x. Now,
So it becomes minus cos. This should split it.
draw the cos x graph. Confusion is there. Check this. 1 second. Regular cos graph. All of you able to see now, students?
Yes, sir.
Regular cos graph. 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. This is regular cos graph. What is the modulus of cos graph? Correct?
Yes.
Now, here we are having a full arc. Here we are having half arc. Then what is this area from 0 to 5? 3.
300.
Understand?
So 300.
This is a full arc, no? So answer is how much? 2. 2. This is a half arc, right? 1. Answer is 3. One second. Right? No. Wait a minute. It's not pi now.
It is
3
3
pi
pi
by 2,
by 2.
No, 3 pi by 2. Please observe this, all of you. This is pi, correct? So this is half.
That is half.
This is
So it will be
also
2.
half. Both are half, right? So complete. Complete arc answer 2. The answer is 2. Hundred root 2
Into 2.
2. So this function is not like simply integration. Integration usage is limited. analyzing the graph is more. One more question I am giving here. Please try. Then wait for your answer. What is that?
Sir,
Yes.
so when we substitute sin x from 0 to pi, we don't get 2, no, sir?
Huh?
When we substitute sin x from 0 to pi, we don't get 2, no, sir?
Where?
Sir, in the previous question, the last step where we came was root 2
Okay.
into
1 second. You are saying that integral 0 to pi sin x, you are not getting 2.
Sir,
Right now?
no, sir. Like my doubt was last part where we stopped.
No, tell me the point. Which parts of integration are the point what I have written?
It was 0 to pi integral cos x.
0 to pi cos x dx. Correct?
Cos x.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, Mama, how to integrate first of all? What is your idea?
Sir, it will be sin x from 0 to pi, no, sir.
Wrong. That is wrong. So you don't know the nature of graph then. What is the nature of cos graph? Within that interval, what is the nature of graph now?
It is decreasing function.
No, 0 to pi it is cos 0 to pi by 2 is positive. Pi by 2 to pi it is negative. You are not doing that. Because of that, you are not getting answer.
Oh, correct, sir. I got it.
You should break no the graph.
Yes, sir.
Because the graph is like this. Again like this. So this is a positive term to written as it is. It's becoming negative, right? To make area to be positive, you will make it like this.
Okay, sir.
Now you can check, you will get 2 as well.
Yes, sir.
Write this question now.
400.
Hmm?
400.
400 is correct answer.
Oh, what's answer by property came over this say? 5 to 5 how to get? 5 to 5 how to get? It will become 0 to 5.
Okay. First you can check with formula. What is 1 minus cos 2x? 2 sin square x. By 2 means 2 gets cancelled. Root and square also gets cancelled. We have now minus pi to 199 pi. Mod sin x. Now you can tell me what is the period of mod sin x? Pi. So there is a t here and there is a t over there, right? So can I write this as minus 1 into pi, 199 into pi, mod sin x dx. So what is the property I need to use? Second property. Please check second property. 199 minus of minus 1, 200. 200 integral. No, minus.
Correct. 0 to 5.
0 to
5.
pi.
Mod of cos x.
Sin x.
Mod
Sin x.
Mod
sin x. What is the mod sin x between 0 to pi? It's going to change or same? Positive or not? Entire interval. No need to break. At cos we need to break. Reason.
Because it starts negative.
After 90 it is negative, so we have taken that minus. But sin no problem. So answer is a complete arc. Complete arc means answer 2, no?
yes, sir.
Will you rub this?
Yes, sir.
Now little more tricky questions, same concept only, but while identifying period, you need to be more clear. For example, minus 3 by 2 to 10, fractional part of 2x. Can you tell me now, what is fractional part of x? What is that period is 1, correct, fractional part. What is the fractional part of 2x? Now graph is going to be shrink or stretch.
Stretched. Yeah.
Now, suppose if x is there, whenever it will take 1, no, there again the graph start repeats, correct?
Yes, sir.
And now 2x graph,
Repeat at 0.5.
1 by 2.
Repeat at 0.
If it is 1 by 2 itself, it will be 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the period of this? Fractional part function period is 1. What is the fractional part 2x period? Why 1 by 2? No, we'll draw the graph. The fractional part of x graph, how it is roughly I'm drawing. But we'll come to know, and here I'll give one standard result also. Okay. So this is the fractional part of x. Until 1, it is like this, correct? Again like this, no? Is it right? This is fractional part of x graph. What is the fractional part of 2x graph? Tell me on the same number line. If you put 1 now directly, what is answer? It's going to be 2. But it's wrong, no? So 0 to half and then 1. 0 to half itself, it will take 1. Again, if you put more than half, what it gives? More than 1, no?
So screen is blurred. Now it's correct.
Okay. Is that okay? Is it the graph of fractional part of 2x or not? Maybe not understanding. What is sin x graph and sin 2x graph? Can you draw both? Anybody online? What is sin x graph and sin 2x graph? Then we'll understand what is the how function periodicity is changing. Now sin 2x. Here, no response. If sin 90 is 1, here for what value it will become 90?
45.
45 only. If you put x value is 45 itself, 2 into 45 will become 90. That means the graph is going to be how it is. For 45 itself, it is 1. And again for 90, it is 1.
0.
Is it okay or not? The graph is like this. So the graph is going to be shrink or stretch?
Shrink.
Shrink means it repeats quickly, no? Compared to before.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So period also reduce or more increase?
Reduce.
Reduces.
Reduce. How much it reduced? By number 2.
Half.
Half of it. So that's why, remember, suppose any function, suppose you are having a function and its period is t, then what is the period of the function ax plus b? Means its
1 by
period is original period t by a. Original period t by a. Why by a? Suppose here if there is a 3 means it will be more stretch, no? More stretch. Correct? Correct?
Yes, sir.
And its period is more reduced. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
that
sir.
way, period of a function is t means what is the period of a function ax plus b? Tell me.
3 by
E by a. What is the t over here? Actual original function. Same point to apply now. What is the period of fractional part of x? What is the fractional part of 2x?
1 by x
1 by 2.
1 by
You
2.
understand now?
yes sir. But this is 1
No. Now all of you understand what this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the period of this function now?
1 by 2.
1
By
by
2.
2. Then I can give answer now. Now you can give this question answer. How? Minus 3 into
1 by 2
1 by
to
2.
20.
2. 20 into
1
1
by
by
2.
2. Fractional part of x into dx. What is the period here then?
1 by
1 by 2. So 20 plus 3. 0 to 1 by 2. Fractional part of 2x dx. 0 to 1 by 2. This value lies from where to where? 1 only, no? 2x only, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer then? 23 into integral 0 to 1 by 2, 2x dx. Three by 4 is the answer. Huh?
Yes, sir.
23 by
So this is very important point. Please observe all of it. Now suppose same question if I am asking about something like 0 to 100. What is the fractional part of x by 2? What is the fractional part of x by 2 period?
2.
It'll be 2.
By 2.
x by. Then only
Sir,
by 1.
Fractional
The-
part of x period is how much? 1, right?
1.
So t is 1. And then fractional part of x by 2 is nothing but what? E
2.
by
2.
1 by 2.
So 2.
Is it right or not?
Yes,
Yes,
Remember,
sir.
the fractional part is going to be 1 for what value of x? 2, no?
2.
No. So that's the period here. Period is 2 means what is your answer to this question?
50
0 to 50 into
50 into 2.
fractional part of x by 2. That 50 will write outside.
0
0 to 2 fractional part of x
X
by
by
2. X by 2 now.
x by 2 comes out.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Goes with the periodicity. Mainly, actually, this concept we discussed actually in the schedule is over already, but we have not completely covered that. Okay. Is this fine?
Yes, sir.
What is this answer?
2 by 5 by 2 by 5 200 by 5.
First, tell me what is the period of this function?
5 by
5.
5 by
5, sir.
5.
Yes, sir.
Sin x period is what? 2 pi.
2 pi.
Sin x period is 2 pi. Now 2 pi by 2.
Sir, the video is turned off.
2 pi by 2. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
What is the period of cos x?
2 pi.
2 pi. Why is this?
5
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
1 by x. Period.
What's the period of 2x?
1 by 1.
1 by 2.
1 by 2 now?
Yes, sir.
So what we are going to write?
0 to 200.
0 to 200 into 1 by 2 e power 2x. Right. So 200 into e power
1 by 2 e power 2x.
What is the integral of e power 2x?
E power
e power 2x by 2.
By 2. Then apply the limits. All of you understand about the
Yes.
identity and how the left hand integral is used over here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes.
let's write down 2, 3 properties are there here. While solving numerical, we have taught this. This is what the idea is to have about identity. Write down. Point. Okay, already we discussed numericals on the two, right?
Yes.
Now let me 2 point. Okay. A to a plus b. Again, what is the key here? Period. So we take how to break this interval. Anybody can tell? Can I take a to b?
Then a to b.
0. Then what will be there?
Only a to
N times 0 to b. F of x. Because here the same value no.
Excuse me, sir.
This is also very easy. A plus nt, b plus nt, of x. Actually, all of this point books also we can take. This is properties in majority of it comes from the only.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So can you please tell the limit of the first term of the third term of the document constantly?
Sorry.
The document of the third term is sir.
A plus nt.
A plus SNT.
A plus nt. Right.
Sir, can you take the camera in the lap? Can you please take the camera in the lap? Yes, sir, now we can see.
Okay. So today, I think you are having computer class again, and this is class also. Okay. Today, computer and after that, now prepare chemistry. Tomorrow also prepare completely chemistry. And if you are able to come and write, because very less strength is understanding, so you can maintain the social distance and all, no problem. But still problem is there, and you are writing from home means yes, on your own monitoring thing, or maybe monitoring by parent, please write the exam and submit the paper at campus. Paper submission is either do at a time or after 2 exams, you are wish. We don't force anything about that.